Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to explore around a little bit of the town that we live in, and just behind me here is a fishing lake where there's loads of carp, and I spent quite a lot of time. A few years ago I used to come down here fishing all the time, so I thought I'd come through the park and I will show you the fishing lake that you can just come here fishing. Might take you hours, but it's so relaxing, and you can get some big old carp or catfish, maybe bream, some little roach, but you mainly want to go for the carp. So let's go over there and have a look. Don't forget guys, please like the video and please subscribe, and if you can, just click that share button. But I think there might be a new thing here called hype in the comment section. If that shows up, please give this video a hype. So this is one part, one bay that you can come fishing here. As you can see, there's a ripple just happened. There's a nice little cozy fishing spot within the trees next to us. Just a little one. But you can catch a lot of bream from this part. There's a lot of woodland and everything to get around the lake, and all these footpaths and footbridges. But I'm currently getting attacked by a load of acorns falling from the tree, so hopefully I don't get donked on the head. Someone's got their rods out. There's tons of reeds around here. You can literally get stuck in them with your line. It's not a very good fishing spot, this one. It's just trees and all these around. Let's keep carrying on. I think this lake is just pure beauty and peace. Look. Wow. I have to come fishing here one day again. Fishing spot. It's not too bad. There's a little bit more of a gap that you can cast out your line. I would use this one if I wanted to move around, for sure. See, they're pretty much just next to each other, most of the things, and like carp like to chill in these parts over here. It's just taking the risk of having to getting caught up. They like to chill around here quite a lot. Talk from experience on that one. There's a lot of greenery around the paths. That's a nice little stroll around nature while you're walking to your next destination to set up your rods. Don't forget guys, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that like button, because I want you to join us on the channel a lot more while we travel around our town and many other places. It's another fishing spot guys. I won't show you all of it because there's people here and they don't want to be filmed, which is fair enough. But I'll just show you the sheer beauty of this lake while we go fishing. So now I've shown you the lake, let me show you around a little bit further up towards the Cop Dock area and around. Join us here now. Please subscribe, please like and please share. If that hype thing is there in the comments, hype this video guys, please. Just look at these open fields. You got a new housing estate over there, but these open fields. If you can see in the distance, there's a little village out there. You take the main road and turn right down there, about a mile or so. Get down there. Leads on to sport. There's a bunch of crows sitting in the field in a big bundle. some flying around too. It's a new housing estate I was on about. There's a Holiday Inn right there. So this place is now called Provida. It used to be a Volvo garage, but now they've got some Isuzu, whatever it's called. 27 grand? What the hell? 31,000. 27,500. Things are getting so expensive here in the UK, it's unreal. It's very windy, but how much could you pick up one of them trucks or cars for in your country, do you reckon? There's no point. Homewood, please drive carefully. Underneath, Mondays at 9:30 and Wednesdays 4:30, 6 p.m. and 7:30 at Homewood Community Hall. You go to Slimming World. How about that? Yeah guys, that's what I thought I'd show you today around the lake. And for now, for the rest of the video, for my Filipino viewers who have asked me what it's like to be on a double-decker bus, so I thought I'd film it from first-person view from upstairs so you can see for yourself before maybe one day you come and try it yourself. So even not just Filipinos or Filipinas, anyone else who's subscribed to our channel and from a different country than the UK, join us now for the first person view on the bus. Please like and subscribe and please share the video. Hope you've enjoyed it today guys, and let's get into the next part. First guys, I have a little message from a very good friend of mine from the Philippines. I'd like you to listen and support.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Wing B. Noel Orong from Philippines. Please support Daddy Travels, my beloved friend, content creator in United Kingdom. Guys, don't forget guys, subscribe to his channel and follow to his Facebook page, Daddy Travels. And of course, please don't forget Mr. Wingpin here in the Philippines.